In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play LinkedIn Queens. First things first, let's get you logged into LinkedIn. You'll want to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you can easily sign in with your Google account by clicking Sign in with Google. Alternatively, you can continue with your existing LinkedIn account if you already have one. Sometimes LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA for an additional security measure, so keep an eye out for that. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to locate the search bar, which you'll find positioned on the top left of your screen. This is going to be your gateway to finding the LinkedIn Queens game. Now click into the search bar and type in Queens. It's as simple as that. This is how you're going to draw closer to beginning your game. After you've entered Queens into the search bar, your next step is to navigate through the search results. What you're looking for is a Play Now link. When you see it, go ahead and click on it. This action will leap you directly into the game, allowing you to start enjoying LinkedIn Queens. Remember, each of these steps is designed to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience as you embark on the journey of playing LinkedIn Queens. Whether you're playing during a break from work or you're simply looking for a new game to dive into, following these steps will get you into the game quickly and efficiently. So there you have it. Sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the game. LinkedIn Queens offers an engaging experience right at the junction of professional networking and entertainment. Enjoy your gameplay.